Click the global Add button at the top right corner of your screen. Then click Lesson. Add the required lesson title. Then select the classroom and the section in which you wish to add the lesson. Then, click Create to create a lesson. The lesson will be created and you will be taken to the expanded view of the lesson. You can change the lesson cover image from the lesson expanded view. Add learning goals for the lesson. By default, one page will be present in the lesson. Rename it accordingly. To add a lesson page, click the Add Page button and then enter the lesson page title. Similarly, you can add more lesson pages to create a table of contents for the lesson. Once you have created all the required lesson pages, you can add content to them. Click Publish to publish the required lesson pages. Published lesson pages will only be available to learners once you publish the lesson. All the changes will be auto-saved.